My European green toad is following bugs he hears crawling around underneath the tray. They have excellent hearing. Get him, Reckon. Get him. Get him, get him. Get him, get him, get him. Good boy, come on. Good boy. Good boy, good boy. Very good. It's possible they feel vibration by putting their bellies down low on the ground. They have a larger surface to feel any kind of sensation from movement. I had dubias in here, so it's possibly a little escapee that got stuck to him while he was getting out of his dish. I've caught dubias sleeping with him. They just get stuck to their sticky skin. I'm gonna have to lift the tray to see what's going on under there. I had to pick one out recently. Reckon is not a hunter, he's an opportunist. Get him, get him. Get him, Reckon. Yeah, he's telling me no more. It's funny how they have this language. I love that. Aren't they cute? This is how toads are. They just kind of sit and move a little. And when they think you're not looking, they go around and do things that they think are interesting, and you would too, but you never get to see them because they do this when you're looking at them. He's tolerating me quite well. Ain't is just like his name. He ain't having it. He ain't liking it. You ain't gonna get none of him. He's remembering the bug. He's gonna go back to listening and feeling for it. They are super cute. What you doing, reckon? Huh? You watching Ain't? Hunting? Ain't doesn't want Mommy to feed him tonight. I'm gonna have to pick the bug out. He's going nuts now. Whoop. He's made his way all the way across this tray, following him like that. And it drives me nuts that I can't get him to eat a worm if I put it right in front of him. These guys are feisty. See? I could put it right in front of him. He stepped right over it, walked right on it, smashed the little guy's face. He wants what's underneath. He wants what he can't have. But he won't eat dubias. They think they're little toads or something because they're brown like them, so the only thing they'll touch is the mealworms, and I suppose that's fine with me. I breed both, but I'm gonna end up feeding the dubias to the birds because they won't eat them. They won't even eat the full number of mealworms that I have. So I have to put them in the refrigerator until they sleep and then stick them in the freezer. And I can take a few out and feed them to the robins. I don't want to put too many out because then the mice will come, so just a couple in a dish at a time. That's it. I gotta figure out what he's chasing and go put it where it belongs. It's running around there. It probably can't access any food, so he's far more interested in what's hiding than what's available. That's it. I hope you like this. I do. I love these little guys.